What is the fractional knapsack problem?
The fractional knapsack problem is a classic optimization challenge. Given a set of items, each with a weight and a value, and a knapsack with a weight limit, the goal is to fill the knapsack for maximum total value. Unlike the 0-1 knapsack, you can take fractions of items, not just whole ones.
The greedy approach explained.
The greedy method to solve the fractional knapsack problem selects items based on the highest value-to-weight ratio first. You always pick the most valuable part per unit of weight. If you can't fit the whole item, take as much as possible. This process continues until the knapsack is full.
Step-by-step solution process.
First, calculate the value-to-weight ratio for each item. Next, sort the items in descending order of this ratio. Add items to the knapsack one by one, taking as much as the remaining capacity allows. If there's space left, take fractional parts of the next item until the knapsack reaches its weight limit.
Why the greedy method works.
The greedy approach is optimal for the fractional knapsack problem because it prioritizes the items that offer the greatest value per unit of weight. Since you can take portions of items, this method always finds the highest possible total value within the weight constraint. This isn't the case for the 0-1 knapsack problem.
Real-world applications.
The fractional knapsack solutions appear in logistics, resource allocation, and budgeting scenarios. For example, it's used in cargo loading, where different goods can be packed in fractional amounts to maximize profit, or in investment decisions that require partial asset allocation for best returns under a fixed budget.